Hey, someday travelers, thanks for joining me, man. I got to tell you guys about this trip that I had. When I was over in Thailand, I wanted to do a little fishing, so I did a little research, and I found this place called Hookers right outside of Pattaya. And I was not expecting this. I was blown away with the food, the beverages, and the hospitality. They just roll the red carpet out for you. We'll get back to the video. We'll see some huge fish getting caught. Biggest fish in my life, and I was not expecting it this day for an extremely reasonable price also, let me tell you. But huge fish, great conditions. Just wait till you see this place. Let's get to the video. Let's go catch some fish and check out everything this place has got to offer. All right?
Just reeled this bad boy in, got the pictures. Monster.
Hey guys, now that you saw us reel one of these monsters in, let me show you the arrangements here and the fishing conditions, alright? They got these awesome little tents set up all the way around this lake. And inside we have 2 chairs and a great fan that keeps you cool. And you're going to have people with you all day long. These chairs are extremely comfortable. You control the fan if you get hot. You walk around, stay in the shade. But if you need a drink, they're going to bring you a drink, man. Let me tell you, it's also a great place to take a nap if you need to take a nap. I really enjoyed just kicking back and relaxing in these chairs. And there is a slight breeze on the day I was there, and the fans were awesome too. I will also highly recommend the watermelon and banana shakes, or slushies, or whatever they was. I bet you I had about 2 or 3 a piece of them things. They were amazing. Don't let the size of this lake fool you. It is kind of smaller in diameter, but these fishing pods are set up strategically in the best locations to catch these fish. These little grab areas where these rod holders and everything is set up, and it's just such a great pleasurable experience to sit back, have the fan on you, get you a cold drink, and wait for one of these lines just to take off buzzing. Now let's get over here and take a look at actually what we're fishing with and what type of bait that these guys are using. I'm going to let the owner John explain the baits and how they're used. If you would, check out his site, and please subscribe to our channel, and all the links will be listed below.
And we'll take a little look at the bait that we provide here. That's all included in the price. So typically what we'll do is we'll provide a loaf of bread, we'll have some flaked up bread, and then a bowl of lum. That gets mixed with water. People that have fished before will know exactly what that's for. People that haven't fished, don't worry. Your guide will do everything for you to mix the ground bait, or lum as it's called here, mix it all up for you. And then we have a range of baits, hook baits that we will provide for you, including pellet and boilies. So basically, again, if you've never fished before, or even if you have fished before, you don't need to bring anything with you. Although if you want to, you're free to bring your own special bait if that's what you want to do. Just check with us beforehand that we're okay with it and what you're intending to use and how you're intending to fish it. The other thing that we'll have on hand for fishing for the predators is you'll have an endless supply of mackerel, dead baits, which are used for the tresses generally to see how we bring the fish in. We don't use nets here like the traditional kind of fishing nets because the fish is just too big now. We've got some smaller species, but they're very rarely caught in any sort of number, so we will always bring them in one of these cages. Obviously the larger cage like this is over 2 meters long.
Alright, someday travelers, you're going to see how they bring fish over here and drop them off in the lakes right here as they're releasing a huge monster of a fish. Hey, book your trip today. Go see Hookers. Check out the link below. Please subscribe, help my channel grow, and let's go fishing and make some day happen now. Check out these fish that I caught when I was there on this trip.